Nature is full of surprises, always revealing something new and extraordinary. It reminds us that there are countless mysteries we still don't understand. They were astonished by a mysterious object floating in the sky, resembling the shape of a jellyfish when seen from afar.
What the is that? I thought it was a plane falling at first, now I don't know what it is.
What is up with this tree? It is fallen. But then all of its branches are like trees now, but they're like suspended in the air by this fallen tree. It's so cool. Nature is so...
The residents in this area were shocked when thousands of caterpillars suddenly swarmed the streets, all seemingly lined up toward a destination. They couldn't understand how this tree remained alive and standing tall, even though its roots were no longer attached to the ground. In one part of Brazil, they experienced a chilling event where a vast area of land was covered by thin webs. People in southern Italy were surprised when an active volcano in their region puffed out rings of smoke. A rare phenomenon called ice eggs, or ice balls, caused by a sudden temperature drop combined with strong winds. You'd surely get chills if you saw this in your home, especially if you're afraid of spiders. Known as cellar spiders, these creatures have long, thin legs. Though harmless to humans, seeing them huddled together can be terrifying for some. It's not only humans who create art. This puffer fish spent over 24 hours crafting something to attract a mate. It's fascinating to watch what looks like a giant pimple forming under the ocean from a volcano in South Dakota. At first glance, you might think you're looking at a portal to hell. That's what it looks like when a tree is struck by a powerful lightning bolt. They were amazed at the amount of water stored inside this tree, deep within the forest. This is what soft-shell turtles do. They gather underground when winter approaches. They were shocked to see thousands of frogs gathered on the shore, with many believing it was due to the sudden change in temperature. It's an incredible sight to witness a colony of over 200,000 sea lions gathered together, which happened in the South Atlantic at Cape Cross in western Namibia. We're lucky we don't experience this. This is what it looks like when you walk into a dust storm. It's like watching nature breathe. When strong winds hit the trees, they create an illusion, as if nature itself is inhaling fresh air. Tourists in Iceland couldn't believe their eyes when they witnessed a glacier crack over 500 meters wide. After a heavy downpour in Canada, they saw something strange happen to this tree. Soon this area will see cars that defrost themselves thanks to the extreme cold. At first glance, you'd definitely mistake this cloud formation for a UFO in the sky. Every sunset is beautiful, but this one takes it to another level.